Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this neon look right here I used the Jaclyn Hill palette, the James Charles palette, and I used the Makeup Plug pressed pigments. I usually do a nude lip, so today I went ahead and did this dark chocolate kind of look, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Before we go ahead and move on into the makeup, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me, and I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, so to start off, I already did my brows and set my eyes off camera, and now I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the shade Feeling Myself, this orange color here. And I'm going to take the Morphe M433 brush to apply this into my crease. Okay, so now using the James Charles palette, I'm going to go in with this yellow shade right here. And I'm using the Morphe M456 brush to do this. I'm just going to take this color right above the last color we just placed in my crease. Okay, so now I want to deepen up the outer corner, and I'm going to go ahead and take the Morphe M433 brush and go in the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette again, and I'm going to go in with this shade called Homeboy. And I'm putting this all in my outer crease, or outer corner area. Okay, so to darken it up a little bit more, I'm going to go ahead and use the Morphe M431 brush. I'm going to take this dark chocolate brown right here, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on the outer corner as well. So to blend that out, I'm going to use this brush right here. I don't know where this brush is from, but use something similar to this, and I'm just going to start blending that out. Now that that is all blended, I'm going to go in with my P. Louise base in the shade 4, and I'm taking the Morphe M166 brush, which is just a flat brush, and I'm going to cut the crease. So now I'm going to go in with a packer brush from Morphe. This is the M124 brush. And I'm going to take these pressed pigments, these neon pigments from the Makeup Plug, and I'm going to be using this orange one here. And I'm going to put this all over where I cut my crease. Okay, so I went ahead and I applied that neon orange pigment, and then I also took some more of that dark brown, and I took that same orange shade, and I also mixed it with the shade My Man, and I just wanted, I just made the color show a little bit more. And I also applied a little bit more of that yellow. So now I'm going to take some black liner from Suva Beauty, and I'm using the Morphe M250 brush. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I applied my lashes off camera. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some setting spray. I did the setting spray because I don't have any primer, so I'm just using that to prime my face before I go ahead and with my foundation. The nose on my foundation is actually broke, so that's why I'm doing this. I'm going to be using the Morphe M439 brush to blend this in. Also, when using these neon pigments, I suggest that you do your face last because you will get a ton of fallout. I don't know if it picked up on camera, but I did have a lot of fallout underneath my eye from that pressed pigment. Okay, so now that that is all on, I am going to be doing my concealer, and I'm also going to be cream contouring at the same time. I'm using a cream contour today because the powders that I had just don't blend well, and I don't want to keep using those. So I'm going to be using, to conceal, I'm going to be using this Maybelline New York Cream Concealer, or liquid concealer, and then I'm also going to be going in with this e.l.f. palette here, this cream contour palette, so that I can do my cream contour. Also, to do the cream contour, I'm going to be taking the Morphe M166 brush. I'm actually going to be blending this out with the same foundation brush that I used to apply my foundation, and this is the Morphe M439 brush. The reason why I'm using this brush is because it still has some leftover foundation, and I just want to make sure that everything kind of like, it's brighter and darker in those areas, but it also still matches my skin, if that makes any sense. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my Beauty Bakery powder. I'm using the shade Plantain, and I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes to set my concealer. I'm going to be using this Morphe brush here. This is an M405 brush, and this is what it looks like. Just going to take some of that powder, and I'm pressing it in, and I'm not going to be baking. I'm just pressing that into my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch to a beauty blender because this is the hairs on this are coming off. Honestly, using a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, works better than using a brush to do this part, in my opinion. And I'm actually just putting this really all over my face because I like how the finish is. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe setting mist. Okay, and now I'm just going to go in with highlight, with my highlighter, and I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow. Okay, so for the last step, typically I use a nude lip because I just feel like nude lips go with any kind of look that you do, but I kind of want to steer away from that today, so I guess I can use this Maybelline brown here. This is in the shade Protector, and yeah, I'm just going to go in with the shade because I don't want to do a nude because I do that every single time, so let's try this. Okay, so hey guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I went ahead and I changed my shirt, and I really like how this look turned out. I wasn't exactly sure what I was going to do. I just knew I wanted to do something orange today. Of course, those are like my favorite eyeshadow colors, but I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below if you have any video ideas that you'd like me to do, or if you, I don't know, just have anything to say, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.